Javi Palanya joined by Coach Mike Perez and Miss Andrea Endicio.
And kaya yung game nila against Coach Elvis, I guess, you know, part of the motivation is to be able to show their former coach that, you know, things
has been making good account of himself in some games this season.
Yeah, and you know, kung meron pang isang pyesa na pwedeng tumulong dito kay Eloy Tan.
There, sige coach, I'll give you time to think.
Yeah.
Sual, bullseye on the triple.
You're not even surprised that they have another crack at this. After all, they're number 2 when it comes to field goal attempts.
Sual from way downtown. Pag-react natin, the first time na natin nakikita yun eh. We've seen this all year long.
Yeah.
Sual, he checks, still hot. He's short.
This is how you gotta play it if you're Marikina. You gotta run the floor and make them play defense.
Estacio hanging in the air, coach. Stolen by Sual. Ryan weaving through the defense. Sual pops for 3 and he gets another one. It's raining at Caloocan. 12 points in the game for Mr. Sual. Casajeros will try to answer and he does. Casajeros bothered there by Destacamento. Pili gets it back for Marikina. Fontanilla aggressive inside, throws it up and knocks it down. 3-point attempts this year, second only to the South Cotabato Warriors. Mel Mabigat showing the range here. Nakakapasok pa lamang Sarangani. Who's gonna take it here? Destacamento has it. Clarinho will pull the trigger. Clarinho from the outside. In that first quarter, coming from the outside and from one man, Ryan Sual.
And I love that Andrea reported about, you know, the focus on defense para dito kay Coach John.
Had to put it up. Clarinho leaves it for Caliano. You know, there are really sometimes when
you gotta get better ball movement and man movement too.
They're down by 9. Clarinho getting it from Caliano again. Defended by Evangelista. Destacamento wheels to the basketball. Destacamento with a step back. Since when does King Destacamento? Well, ito Sarangani, they're shooting 41%. Alves trying to lose Evangelista. Coy Alves will get continuation. The much taller Evangelista. Deliano to Estacio now. Estacio able to score from short range.
Wow.
Estacio currently with 4 points in this one at 17 against South Cotabato. Gomez Deliano able to connect from the outside. I do understand the movement, coach, but I think they're forgetting because of the way that they've been able to getting the step on Estacio, 2 former teammates. Jumawas forces that one up, but Dayag primes himself for that stick back. 2 points. Pili against the zone. Castellano to the left side. Estacio, strong drive. Dipsidu finishing on the right. Kawamura puts the ball on the deck. Destacamento, he hit the 3 earlier. This is the same shot and the same result for King Destacamento.
Naka-Steph Curry mode si King.
Gama Evangelista answering with a 2-pointer inside. Evangelista this time from straight away. Castellano, that falls right into his hands, and that's 2 points para kay Mix Castellano. Destacamento. Roque out to Sual. Step back. 3-pointer on the way. Nothing but bottom for Ryan Sual. Thank you so much, Andrea. You know, that's a good bit that Coach Rizal Castro shared with his squad. Wala naman sa edad ang decision.
In fact, habang tumatagal ka, yung how you actually absorb those experiences would help you out, regardless your age. They're minus 26, so roughly about 77. Are they on track on that? Well, looks like it because of how they've been shooting.
And to trim this for Marikina. Casajeros uses the Ingliane screen. Estacio, sorry, that's Escoto dialing it down from downtown.
Do with ball movement and man movement.
The lead is just 3. Sual this time goes all the way inside for that finger roll finish. Of their campaign here in the MPBL. Mula pa ng Mombaki Cup, naglalaro na dito si RR Casajeros. Igliana kisses it off the glass. 44 all. Caliano trying to test the metal of the defense of Escoto.
Oh,
Tough
man.
reverse right there coming from Charles Caliano. 6-44. Igliana sets the screen. Casajeros settles for the perimeter jumper. That's good. May tangan ng bola dito. Solid screen set by Destacamento. Jomar Madayag leaves it for Sawal. Ryan from the outside. Bullseye!
Hype about the threes taken earlier by Marikina. This one's, you know, really close.
I don't think there was any. Jetro Escoto, homegrown for Marikina. Sees Casajeros open underneath. I think that defense came too late coming from Kim Destacamento. Not even played 2 minutes in this one. Parang dami na nangyari.
Correct.
Estacio, immediate, instant impact. They played with a lot of Stags last year. Eloy Tan playing the passing lanes.
And, you know, credit to the effort of itong Marikina, right? Just like this one. And that one's missed. That one's made. A lot of that is really because of effort.
Castellano on top against the defense of Coy Alves. They find Estacio wide open between two white shirts underneath.
Now making things difficult for both Coy and King. Eloy.
Destacamento trying to breathe more life here into his squad. Charles Caliano, still a lot of time on their shot clock. Tough looking jumper. Made it look easy there, Charles Caliano.
That one's doing a little bit too much.
Oh, Estacio timed that one perfectly. And credit the assist to Eric Pili. Destacamento ahead to San Felipe. Caliano back to San Felipe. That's 2 points for Sarangani. Was fouled there.
But you gotta forget it. Comeback defense. Oh, man.
Zach San Felipe. This one. Caliano wants a screen, rejects it. Caliano leaves it. Destacamento, look out below!
That's the better read.
Jumper short. Sawal tracks down the long rebound. Sawal decides to go all the way to the cup. High up the glass for two. Reach 12. Caliano turns the corner. Destacamento is rolling. Caliano will take it for himself. What a shot by Charles Caliano. Top ball screen between Caliano and King Destacamento. Caliano gets away again. Charles Caliano.
Just in crucial moments of the game, Charles has found a way inside.
Kanilang home team against the Zamboanga Master Sardines, pero di pa tapos itong laban na to.
Oh!
Marikina getting the steal. Pili forcing it up. Eric Pili getting the bounce. They'll have to go quick. It's got to be a three. Eloy Tan for the tie. No good. And that's going to be it. The carjack finish.